how to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. So if you want to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the top right. Now tap on help and feedback, which is on the last option. Once you go with help and feedback, now you need to tap on search help. And here you need to search for Google Play balance. And after searching, you will get some options. You can scroll down and go with contact us, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on contact us, now here you need to write the same thing, which is Google Play balance, and then go with next. And now you need to tap on issue with pay balance. And after selecting that, you need to go with the drop down and choose play balance and gift card and tap on next step. And if you don't find your solutions right here, then you just need simply go with next step again. And here you will have two options. One is chat and the other one is email. So you can simply go with chat or email, any option that you're comfortable with. And then you can ask the questions and it will guide you on how you can transfer your Google Play Store balance to another account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.